how much money can you make trading a 99.3% win rate Forex scalping strategy? Let's find out. The scalping strategy I'm testing this week is by Trader DNA, a video with over 500,000 views. This trading strategy has a win rate of 99.3% using 2 EMAs and 1 stochastic. So I'll teach you how to use it so you can grow your trading account, and then I'll show you some live trading examples I took from the past week to make it even easier. If that sounds good to you, please smash a like button, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the trades and pop up the chart. You can see here, this is my first trade of the week. This is a US dollar Swiss franc sell trade. Let's just play it out. I'll show you exactly what happened. You can see the trade went in my direction and smashed my take profit right here for $2,204. A fantastic win, over 10 pips and a risk reward ratio of 1.53. Now, if you look at my verified FX account, you can see this is a live account. And after my first day, you can see I had this single trade. It was the US dollar Swiss franc sell trade I just showed you. I took this trade with 20 lots, which is a big lot size, but I won 10 pips and $2,204 in just 26 minutes. Now, you probably want to know how I did this, which is the whole point of the video. So let me get into the installation and show you how you can install this in your free TradingView account so you can start taking some of these trades too. So you can install this Forex scalping strategy in TradingView and MetaTrader. I do it in TradingView. It's just easier to show you. So the first thing I'm doing here, I'm trading it on the 1 minute time frame. You can see up here I'm using 1 minute. The original strategy used the 5 minute time frame, but I did a bunch of back testing. I had way more success on the 1 minute time frame. That's why I'm using it. Second, we want to come over here to indicators. We're installing just a couple indicators. We're installing 2 EMAs. So just grab the moving average exponential, click on that 2 times, and then we're installing a stochastic. So just type stochastic like this right here. So just double click on the stochastic right here. We're just changing the K length, K smoothing, and D smoothing all to 5. Very simple. And then click OK. Then just come up to the EMAs. We're going to double click on these as well. One of these we're going to change the length to 50. So just set that to 50, and the other one we're going to set the length to 150. Generally, I'll change the look of these as well, so I'll just come to the styles section. I'll make it a little bit thicker, and let's just change the second one as well. Let's make this one orange and a little bit thicker, just so it's easy for you to see. Now you probably want to know what pairs I traded. I traded multiple pairs, but if you're new to this strategy, if you're new to any strategy, stick to 1 pair at a time. You will have more success that way. And in terms of trading time, you can see here the London and New York session. This here is when I'm doing the majority of my trades. So for this strategy, I recommend trading the London session, even the London-New York crossover here. There's a lot of volume there, which makes scalping really effective. Now let's get into my live trades and the actual rules of the strategy so you can start doing this and making some money at home. All right, so after my first trade, I was up $2,204, but now it's time for me to show you exactly how I did that, how this strategy works. You can see here we are in a bit of a downtrend on the lower time frame. Now what I'm looking for is a little bit of a pullback. You can see I get a pullback. What I want to see is the price come and test this 150 EMA, which is this line right here. And then I want to see the price come down and start to break through the 50 EMA, which is this line right here. In this case, obviously I'm looking for a sell trade, right? And the last thing I want to have is the cross of the stochastic. Obviously, if it's above this line right here, we are looking for those sell trades. So we want to look for an entry around this level right here. And for the stop loss, I'm just setting my stop loss right here, and that is a couple of pips above the recent level right there. So that's exactly what you want to do on these trades, right? So for a sell trade, we want to see the price come between the 50 and the 150. Ideally, try to test the 150 and then come back down and start to break through the 50. And either a few candles before that or around that area, we want to see the stochastic right here getting across. So that's why I entered my my trade at this level right here. You could see a banger 8.3 pip stop loss, a 12.7 pip take profit, and I hit that take profit, a 1.53 risk reward ratio, $2,204. Let's keep this thing rolling. Let's go into my next trade. You can see right here, this is a Great Britain pound US dollar trade. So what am I thinking? I'm thinking buy trade, right? The market is going up on the short-term trend. Then we have the price coming down here, getting close to testing my 150 EMA, and then we get the price breaking the 50 EMA. So now I'm starting to look for these buy trades, right? And then I also have the stochastic cross right at this level right here. So now I'm looking to place my trade. I set my trade at this level right here. You can see my stop losses right here, just a couple of pips below the recent level. And let's play this thing out and see exactly how it went. You could see it went in my direction and smashed my take profit, $3,753, just because I'm following all of the rules. Now, if you're looking for a broker so you can use this strategy, place these trades, and make some money, look no further than Hanko Trade. Hanko Trade is my favorite broker right now. This is where I have over 80% of my trading accounts and 80% of my trading capital. So if you're looking for a place to trade, come check out Hanko Trade. The link is in the description. All you have to do is enter your information right here and you can join and start trading. Now let's get into some more trade examples here. We have this Australian dollar, US dollar, another buy trade. You could see on the short-term trend what's going on. We are clearly in that uptrend, right? So what I'm looking for is a little bit of a pullback. I just want to see the price come down, come between my 50 EMA and my 150 EMA, get close to testing that 150 EMA, and then when we start to break above that, that's when I'm looking to enter my trade. And also, I want to see the stochastic crossing, which is what I have right here. Now, generally, I want to have the stochastic crossing somewhere down here or somewhere up here. This is a stronger sell signal. This is a stronger buy signal. This is at the 50 line right here, so it's not as strong, but you could see we are clearly in that uptrend. We are clearly getting that easy pullback. So I thought this was a really solid trade. So I used my judgment and I placed the trade because that's what trading is all about. So let's go ahead and see exactly what happened with this trade. You could see it went against me a little bit right here, but then it did go in my direction and smash my take profit for $2,718. Just an awesome trade. Again, you could see risk reward ratio 1.5. And so how am I setting that, right? I have my stop loss right here. My stop loss is at that level because of this candle right here. I just want to be below the recent low for a couple of pips. And for my take profit, all I'm doing is targeting 1.5. So I already have my stop loss of 6.5. All I have to do is drag this until I get to a risk reward ratio of about 1.5. And that's what I'm targeting. It's really that easy. Now, before I show you the MyFX book, show you all of the results I had from this week, I do have to show you my last trade. This trade sucked. I lost this trade. It is what it is. I lost $1,982 on this one. We are in a bit of a downtrend here. I get the pullback to my 150. That's what I'm looking for. And then we start to get the candle to cross down. And at this level right here, I had my stochastic cross. So I thought this was a good trade. I followed the rules, but it just didn't pan out. It's possible there was news around this time. Always make sure to check the Forex factory calendar because that will tell you if news is going to affect the volatility and mess up one of your trades. But that being said, trading strategies aren't going to win every single trade that you place, and you have to understand that when you're trading, risk is just part of the game. So let's pop into my FX book. You can see I used this scalping strategy all week long and I gained $6,474. That's a gain of 11.35%. And this is again my verified real trading account. If we scroll down, we could look at the statistics a little bit more. They promised a 99.3% win rate with this strategy, but I won 3 out of 4 trades. That's a 75% win rate. Obviously, I'm really happy with the 75% win rate, especially when my risk reward ratio is 1.5 on every single trade. If we scroll down here, you could see the average trade length right here was 27 minutes, which is a solid solid trade length for a scalping strategy because we're in these trades, we're out of these trades, and that's what you want to see with a scalping strategy. Now, at the bottom here, we have the trade history. You could see the first trade I banked $2,200. The second trade I banked $2,700. Third trade $3,500, and then my only loss, that was $2,000. So even though I didn't get that 99.3% win rate that was promised with this Forex scalping strategy, I made myself over $6,000, and I barely traded the strategy. I only placed 4 trades, and I was able to make much more money in my own trades, in my VIP room, in my free room. So overall, I was happy with my experience. Now, if you're looking for a place to trade, please join my free Telegram group, and my VIP room is up around 10% this month. We just had a really nice 2% winner the other day, and we're continuing to grow and get better every single month. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment telling me what you want to see me do next. That's it, guys. I'm out of here. Much love.